Wow, what a wonderful.
Yay!
My father Iron!
Invited you by Sea Lion France, together with the fingers one of the time. On your left side is the eldest
Wow!
American sea lions that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the smartest. Wow, confident. Her name is Jenny. Together.
Yung pangalan? Ano pangalan niya?
Say hi!
Hi!
While on the other side is the youngest people, South American sea lions that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the sexiest.
Yeah!
Her name is Sarah. Together with Jelly. Now guys, let's continue. Do you have any idea for gold feet or feathers for different mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which is shaped like a bird's wing. See those?
Ayan.
The term flippers may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they've been flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right? Sea Lion France. And did you know, they're often mistaken like a seal because they look very much alike. But some people are obsessed with a seal, and the sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back.
Tapos yung basura dito.
Baby, oh, magaling siya, baby, oh.
Yan yung si Johan, tapos sa school ng basura, ano?
Galing niya, pe, ano?
See if our lovely bird can do it, so that can you will fun. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, our own game, no matter how